Hello, welcome to InQuize tutorial series. These videos are dedicated to creators and media outlets who want to become a publisher on the platform and use it to share their content with their followers. As a publisher, you get access to publish your content in 5 types of posts, track your performance on the platform, and much more. Let's begin. Now, go to inquize.com/login to access the platform. You'll be presented with a login form. Fill this form with your user account credentials that you used to create your user account on the app. Once you log in, you'll be presented with the new publisher application, where you will be asked to fill in several details about your media and content you'll be creating on the platform. First, you'll be asked to create your default media profile by choosing its name, providing your website if available. Then choose its category and type. Second, you'll be asked to fill in your social media account handle and the number of followers you currently have, as this will play a role in reviewing your application. Third, you'll be asked to submit your official contact info, and the appropriate time of contact will contact you about your application through the means you've submitted here. Finally, once you verify all the data you entered, you can submit your application. After submitting, our support team will review your application based on the data you've provided and determine your eligibility to become a publisher on our platform. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.